Welcome to the Perry Prosthetics How-To video series. In our premiere video, our founder and prosthetist, Chris Perry, will be joined by our friend Jim to discuss shrinkers for above-the-knee amputees.
All right, Jim, we're going to fit you with a shrinker sock today.
Okay.
As you know, the shrinker sock helps compress the limb to keep the excess fluid out of your limb and start to shape your limb. So let me start with gloves here. And seeing how you're as far post-op as you are and your limb is not sensitive to discomfort, we are able to just pull this on. So we start with measurements of the limb, both circumferential measurements distally and then also proximally. I'm going to come up as high as I can, bring your leg out to the side. There you go. And then a length measurement from the seat bone to the end. So just lift up a little bit. I'm going to push on, find that bone. All right, go ahead and let your limb drop down. Okay. So then we reference the sizing chart and make sure we have the right one. So you're between an 8 and a 10 in length. And if we go with a 10 and you pull it up tight, it's going to get up into the groin. I'll put it on first and then I'll double check, make sure you put it on. So the most important part about a shrinker sock is that it's not loose fitting on the distal end of your limb. If it's loose or baggy distally, the fluids will pool in that area, and that's just the opposite of what we want to do. So I'm going to bunch it up in my hands and I'm going to push snug the distal third. Once that's snug on there, then I can just let the rest of it kind of come out of my hands. Okay. On the back side of this shrinker sock are silicone dots right here. Those silicone dots will help it keep from sliding down. All right, I'm going to let you grab that and pull it the rest of the way up, nice and snug. You get that stretch. How's that feel?
That feels better than one I had, because like I said, it was a little long.
Good.
So it's a little loose at the end.
So I recommend wearing this anytime that you're not wearing the prosthesis and at night. And what that'll do is sleep with it. What that'll do is help keep your limb consistent in volume. The washing instructions are with the paperwork that I'll give you, but I recommend, I don't put anything that's elastic in a dryer. I lay it out flat to dry. You can either wash it by hand with a mild soap that you use for your hands, or you can throw it in the washing machine and wash it and then lay it out flat to dry. And then if you have any questions or concerns or your limb changes and it starts to feel loose, just give us a call. We'll get you into the next size down to keep that compression consistent. All right? All right, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
The team at Perry Prosthetics is always available to answer questions from patients, family members, and medical professionals. Contact us at any time.